Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but I find it very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. See if the leak stoppers or leak sealers really work. Let's see. The answer is yes, but it is a temporary solution, because in the long term they can cause more serious problems than they initially solve. Look why I'm telling you. What you see here is the dashboard of a Peugeot 407. You look, the stop warning comes out, stop the engine, because the temperature is too high. Let's see, the problem with this car. There you see it. What you see? There are leak stopper flakes or leak sealant. This car, a few years ago, months, it had a problem with a small coolant leak from the radiator, so its owner put a leak cover on it and fixed the problem. But what happened? Well, of course, over time, those scales go away joining, they form layers, and what has happened in this motor? It is that they have clogged the radiator. Now, what we have done, has been to clean the entire cooling circuit, change the radiator, and the problem has been solved. As I said, it is a temporary solution, because if you leave it like that, in the long term, these heaters in the engine can damage the cylinder head gasket, or the cylinder head, and the damage caused will be more serious than the one that can, in principle, be solved. Well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.